Instructions for using the AI prompt store script. Follow these step-by-step instructions to understand how your site works. Settings. Admin settings. Here you will decide how your program will run. GDPR settings. Would you like to enable it by default? Enabling this setting will display a small fixed bar at the bottom of the page, prompting users to allow cookies. Mailer settings. Select the type of mailer you want to use, regular PHP mailer or advanced SMTP mailer. Click here to know more about how to set up Google reCAPTCHA v2 API key. If you want to send a confirmation email to verify the user email address, to avoid invalid email addresses, then select Yes for the email confirmation required option, otherwise select No. If you want to send an email to a sponsor to notify them that they have a new referral, then select Yes and send referral notification email option, otherwise select No. Manage your pages. Here you can manage your pages like home, FAQ, login, etc., and add new pages to your system. File Manager. Here you can upload new files or delete the previous uploaded files. Top menu links. Here you can manage your top menu links. Footer section. Here you can manage your site footer links and other information. Members area menu links. Here you can manage your members area menu links. Generate database backup. This section will let you take database backup from admin area itself. Update system. Here you can find the list of updates that are available for your system. System information. Here you can find the basic information about your server. Tools. Marketing tools. MaxViral Marketing is a web application that can allow you to offer various marketing tools like Link Cloaker, URL Rotator, Email Open Rate Tracker, Splash Page Builder, and others as a part of your paid membership using MaxViral Marketing API. Send push notifications. Push notifications allow you to stay connected with all desktop and mobile app users with great ease to provide your customers with the best experience so that they can choose your services over and over again. Feedback and exit surveys. Take advantage of real-time data collection via digital surveys, and see your business bloom with real-time reports and unlimited data. List management service. Easily manage your list without using your own server resources to do mailing to your members. Mobile app. Powerful web-based app builder tool for your business that will allow you to turn your website into email validation service. Email Court is a web application that can verify if an email address is real or fake. You can validate the email addresses of new members joining your website using Email Court API. Contests. Contest Conclave is a web application that can allow you to incentivize your website with various contests to increase traffic flow and win cash and prizes while promoting contests to your members at your website. Digital products. Add incredible value to your existing business and attract more visitors to your site by offering instant access to over 2,500 plus master resale rights products to your paid membership as a part of your membership. Analytics. Keep track of your website traffic. Members. Members list, search members. From here you can view, edit, delete the members of a particular category who are at active membership status or pending membership status. Active members, pending email verifications members. From here you can view /edit/ delete the members of a particular category who are at active membership status or pending membership status. Email users. Use this section for updating your members through email. Message history. Here you can view all the messages sent by you in the past. Products. Categories. Manage your product categories here. You can add new categories, view existing ones, or delete any you no longer need. Add product. Use this section to add a new product to your AI prompt store. Products list. Here you can view all your products and update or delete any product details whenever needed. Rating and review. Check and manage buyer reviews for your products in this section. Orders. Pending orders. View all orders awaiting approval. You can approve or reject them after verifying the associated payment. Orders list. This section displays all approved orders and lets you track their status. Banner ads. Approved banners. This section lets you track the banners purchased by members, and you can track the details of each banner. Pending banners. This section will show you the list of all pending banners, and you can approve them after checking the contents and payment associated with it. Log out. Thanks for watching this video.